Hi all. So this video is regarding how to do static routing by using IPv4 addressing scheme. So for this video, I am going to take two routers. Minimum three networks should be there so that we can understand the static routing. So two routers I'm going to take. Uh, One PC I'm going to connect here, and other side small LAN having two machines. One is a switch. Two more machines I'm going to connect this side like this. Now connect all the machines with each other. By using cross cable, I am connecting both the routers with each other, and then straight cable to connect switch with the router. Straight cable to connect switch with both the machines. Second machine. Now cross cable to connect first router with the PC because they are of both are of same nature, so we are using over here cross cable. So this is the scenario. Now there are three networks. One is this, second and third. So we are giving any IP address range over here, any class A, B or C, any public or private range. So here I'm giving simple range. Suppose here I'm writing network address for this for your reference. Here I'm using suppose 1.0.0.0. Similarly, for this, I'm using network as a 2, and here for this, I'm network as a 3, 3.0.0.0. So these are the three networks which we have to use. So I'm going to now configure all the devices. So I'm firstly configuring. I am this PC. So open the machine, desktop, IP configuration. Here I am giving suppose 1.0.0.1. Subnet mask by default appears of class A. 1.0.0.1. This is the IP address of the machine. So I am writing over here IP 1.0.0.1 and subnet mask is class A. Right. So now come to the router, first router. So here FA0 by 1 is connected with the PC. So this also falls in network address 1.0.0.0. So accordingly we can configure uh, by using CLI command line interface. I'm configuring the router. Would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? No, we have to configure fresh. So enable the router, configure terminal, interface FA0 by 1, IP address 1.0.0. Now I am using 2 because 1 I have given to the machine, so 2. This address also act as a sub gateway, default gateway for the PC, right? No shutdown. This is configured up. Now I am configuring second interface of the router, that is FA0 by 0, which is connected to the second router. So interface FA0 by 0, IP address, it is of 2.0.0.0 network, so I'm giving IP as 2.0.0.1 and subnet mask of class A and no shutdown. Right, this is done. Now come to the second router. Here the interface is FA0 by 0 is connected with first router, so I am configuring it CLI. Would you like to enter the initial configuration? No, we have to do fresh configuration. Enable, configure terminal. Interface is FA0 by 0, which is connected with the first router, and IP address is of the 2.0.0 address range. 2.0.0.1 we have given, 2 is over here. 255.0.0.0 and no shutdown. Right, this is up. Now we will give the second interface IP of the second router, so that is interface FA0 by 1. IP address is of 3 network, so 3.0.0.1 I am giving, and 255.0.0.0 is a subnet mask. No shutdown. Done. Both the routers are configured. Now we will configure the IPs of these two machines which are connected with the second router. So open the machine, desktop IP configuration. Here 3.0.0.2 I am giving, one is given as a default gateway. So 2 subnet mask as well as default gateway, that is 3.0.0.1. Second machine, desktop 3.0.0.3 and subnet mask done. Default gateway is 3.0.0.1. So done. We have given subnet a default gateway to this first machine. No, we have to give, so it is 1.0.0.2 because 2 we have given to the router's FA0 by 1 interface which is connected with the PC, so it act as a default gate. Right, now we have to configure static routing. How to do that? This is first network suppose, second network third. This first network machines want to access third network. So for this we have to configure the static routing and give one path, give one route. How to give? We have to open the router first. We should be in the configuration, global configuration interface mode. So we have to type exit and move to the previous mode, global configuration mode. Here we have to type the command IP space route space destination network address, which is this one 3.0.0.0. So 3.0.0.0 and its destination network subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, and next hop IP address is from this router. This is the very next router and its subnet IP address. Which IP address? This FA0 by 0 because it is connected with first router. So this IP address is 2.0.0.2 which we have given earlier. So we have to write the IP address here, 2.0.0.2. Done. This is the static routing command from this side, one side. Now move to the second router. Now from this side, this is the source network and this 1.0.0.0 is the destination network. So here also we have to write the static routing command. Open the router and go to the global configuration mode by writing exit. Now write IP route. Destination network address is this 1.0.0.0 and its subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Next hop IP address is, next hop is this router. So this router's FA0 by 0 which is connected with the second router. Its address is 2.0.0.1. Next hop IP address. Kindly write that 2.0.0.1. Done. Now whole configuration is done. Now just check the connectivity between these two networks, network 1 and network 3. I am opening first machine, command prompt and ping space, putting the IP address of the third network, any machine 3.0.0.3. Now just check the ping output. It takes time also. RTO, RTO. Now ping comes. Two packets are under RTO and two packets received. Again I am checking. Yes, ping is going. It takes time. At the very first step it takes time, so the ping is going. So in this way you can configure the static routing. Thank you.